Got a package. What are you? A butt plug. I bought a butt plug, folks. This butt plug is going to go in my turbo's butt to make it go. This thing blew off after I'd played around with the intake manifold stuff, and it sounded so good that I couldn't resist. This pipe used to recirculate the air from that hole there into that hole there. There's the butt plug blocking it off. So now only air will come through here, and this sensor will only pick up that air, not this air as well. So yeah. Drop it! Drop it! Get it! Alright, ladies and gents, it's Boxing Day, and here I am about to put these motor mounts into the car. Nice and gentle. So that's the rear engine mount. Just got to take out these 3 bolts here and then undo that big bolt there, and I need to try and cut out the rubber on the inside of that metal mount. Got him. There's one. Now look at that. Oh! Got him.
Got him.
Enough for me. And then we got this slide pin just to keep it all tight. Boom. That's one. After a grueling amount of threading this long bolt in, just realised I've put the mount in backwards. Sit there. There's one-handed filming and unbolting and bolts out. Oh, she's actually gonskis. Let's have a closer look. In your professional opinion, Telf, is that cactus?
It's fucked.
Fucked?
Fucked. It's my
Look at that. Look how floppy that is. That's supposed to be holding my engine still. Just about. There we go, look at that.
Easy peasy.
F-U-C-K-D. Sorry, filming. So I've had the dick, got the rear mount out, and they don't fucking fit. So I'm going to be without a car for a little while. Bag o' dicks. Alright, so Boxing Day was the day where I got that bag of dicks, thinking that I got sent the wrong size engine mount inserts, these bad boys. But later on I found out that being a turbo swap, when they did the swap, they kept the original non-turbo front engine mount, which is this one. I've cut the guts out of it, and very happy to see that it was completely fucked. But now I've got this one, where if you look at them closely, you can see that there is actually a difference between the turbo and non-turbo. You can even just see from, so you can see this one's just a bit fatter. It's also got a little bit extra diameter. It's a bit hard to tell just looking at it, but that one is bigger. So now I just got to cut the guts out of this one, slide these bad boys in. Bob's your uncle.
I'm going to return the favour for Judd Spec. So I've just given up on my project, and as per normal, the
Given up or defeated?
defeated and given up. The sun seems to be going down, so this is when the Judd shines.
Judd mechanics.
Judd mechanics. So what are we doing now?
So I got the this hoe bag through there. So if I just cut,
No, let me.
yep, that bit of
Rubber.
it's actually steel
Yep.
or something. I
Oh,
doubt
okay, it's like an inner ring.
it's an inner ring, yeah. And once I cut through that, then it just loses its tension. I can smash it out.
Yep. And then the new poly bush there to go in. Oh, mate, look at that.
Boom.
Who needs a press? Righto. Brand new 2-part poly bush, a lot better design.
Much better design. I don't know how much firmer it could possibly be to be not be doing this in the first place.
Breaking into a sweat there. Nothing a bit of hydration won't fix.
Oh, Regress.
It's going. I got Nemo on the phone. He wants to come past my house to help with the GD build.
Is that right?
Tell him he's too late. Piece of shit.
Mate, we're in MR2 town now.
Exactly right.
You want to join Judd Spec? Alright. Tell me I fucking brought the through bolt down here.
No, I can see it on the ground over there. Alright, cunt. I'll roll over and get it. Oh,
Thanks, Jib. You're a dear.
you can talk to Nemo. Oh, fuck that.
Hello. What's going on, mate? Welcome to Judd Spec YouTube channel.
Live stream. Live stream.
What do you think of this? What do you reckon's wrong with her? Fucked?
Is that Nemo eating? Is that Nemo eating and blocking at work?
We're at mine. Hello.
Maybe that.
No, I'm just putting in those engine mount inserts. Oh, thank you, sir. Here, I'll put you onto the Greek Wog Nick.
What do you want, cunt? Hang on, wait. I gotta talk to you and film at the same time. There's Hang on, wait.
Did you pull the heads off?
Just one of the heads. But like, as a stupid cunt, I didn't pull off the fucking the headers, which are also connected to the heads. So I've only done one side. So, but we got to get it.
Have you taken the heads off the block or just the rocker cover?
No, just the rocket cover. I got the head bolts out, and then fucking.
He was literally like hammering the head, ready to come off. I'm like, what's stopping it from coming off? And it's like, oh fuck, the exhaust is still attached.
What about the? Is that off the GC block or the GD?
Nah, it's all GD stuff.
Oh.
I just want to see how bad it was. Get him, Judd. But I want to get another fucking engine stand to put it on. It's impossible to work on it on the table.
Yeah, it's too high.
No, it's not that it's too high. You just need to be able to rotate the block.
For the intake stuff, it's alright, but now that we need to get to the underneath, not
Yeah.
happening.
And if you want to rotate shit and find hoses and stuff, it's just a massive pain in the ass.
Okay. Feed him, Joe.
Dog. Tradie dog. Maybe jack it up a slight more.
Jack it. Yeah?
Yeah,
Just the 15th?
15th.
It's coming. Oh shit.
Yep. Alright, so as you can see, these holes are just missing, and it's because I've pressed in that left hand side fully, but not the right hand side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this through bolt in, tighten it up, and hopefully that'll square it up in the middle, undo it again so it moves around, and hopefully these holes will line up. Is Vincent?
We're gonna mark down this Vincent. It's January.
It is January. Alright. Let's get this fucking hand stay on.
Nay, here's your little dildo monster. Ah, first of all, Happy New Year's.
Oh yeah.
There she is, in, like, Flynn or Jim or whoever runs with that.
Oh, me loose.
That's,
Easy bear.
that's,
What are you looking for?
that's.
Ooh.
We definitely love boost.
Anticipation.
We definitely love full battery.
Belt.
More vibration.
Yeah, I did notice that.
Come on, belt, don't do this to me.
There we go.
Thank you.
Man, how loud? It's fucking a lot louder than what I remember.
That's the first thing old mate said about loving boost, is feeling a lot more vibration from the engine.
Yeah, it is because it is a
Just because it's a firm amount, I
it's
guess.
a firm amount. Yeah, that's why the other one's got the gaps in it to cop all the vibration.
We want all the vibrations.
That's right.
Oh man. That feels fucking 1,000 times better already.
A lot better.
Oh, so much better. Like it even feels like it gets in the gear better.
Yeah. All the lining up of the box. No,
Yeah.
no slack on the shafts and stuff.
Take a lot of stress off the box, I guess, and all the linkages and shit.
Yeah. One happy Judd.
Chappy Hud. Slow down, cunt.
Hey, whoa, she's alright. Fucking hell. Damn it.
Alright, we kicked her into high boost. Let's rock! Is that the car?
Yeah, what is that?
I don't know.
Well, it might just be like the
Oh, cop's lights.
Actually, can I film the cunt? Fuck him. Dickhead.
Alright, so had success, but now the front left wheel's making a funny noise, so never ends. But one thing that will end is this video. See you later.
Very long.
I don't know, I'm not done yet.
That's real short. Yeah, do you want a mullet?
Is that fun?
Yeah.
So, turns out the video is not finished and I'm a nude nut. So, how about that? Just looking in, doing my brakes. That little noise we had right at the end of the video there. Half the pad fell off. So, didn't have a whole lot of meat left. Looked like it might have been wearing down in that direction anyway, but yeah, it just fell off. So, I'm going to pop some newies on there. These were race pads, but I'm just going to put on some street ones so that I'm not wasting expensive yellow stuff pads on the street, and just swap over to yellows when I go to the track. Till it's off the road, then I'll just leave the track ones on there for good.